Hey everyone, it's Brea Rahanna.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be turning my knotless braids into faux locks, and I've already started.
What was the reason?
I was impatient and I was in bed watching Netflix and I didn't feel like filming, so I also redid the front. Your best friend right now is gonna be a crochet hook. You're gonna need that. So what I'm gonna show you guys today is how to crochet through, how to wrap it, and if the hair stops before the braid ends, and if you want to make your faux lock longer without having to open anything. And I'm also going to show you how to stop, like how to wrap back up to lock it in. All right, so let us begin. So we're going to start with one piece of Cuban twist hair. One piece. So I like to just open up the ends of the hair. I like to open it like that. And now we're going to take an end. I'm going to take this part. I'm going to take a little bit like this. Ooh, can you see it? Over here. Like this on my finger. Got my crochet hook over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my braid. I'm going to push it through the braid like that. I'm going to take my faux lock. This is the short end. Open the latch. Boom, latch is opened, right? And we're gonna put the hair onto the latch. We're gonna close the latch. It's closed, right? And then we're just gonna pull the hair through. And we don't need the crochet hook now. I don't pull the short end all the way down. I leave it kind of high up. So now you're taking the long part and we're just gonna wrap around the base. Now these faux locks are not wrapped tight, so it's like a medium, like in between tight and in between loose, in between. Okay, my dog. In between tight and in between slack. And I'm making sure that the hair is like I would say like flat. So like I open it up so it's not like a roll of hair. I open it up so it's like wide, not like, so it will wrap more of my braid faster. If your faux lock is too long, you can put your hair up into a ponytail and continue wrapping, or you just pull it to the other side of your head. So see, it's like short again over here, and continue wrapping. Can you see that? It's only like a little bit of hair left at the bottom. I can't really wrap anymore. So now we're going to wrap back up, and all you do is just go back up. I don't know how to explain it. Let me see. I'm going to take the hair and I'm just going to go up. And this hand is helping me go back up by holding the hair so that it doesn't unravel. And then you just take the little piece. It's nice to have like a long, like thin piece. That kind of helps lock it in. So yeah, and then I take the bottom of the hair like that and I wrap that up too. So just take it and just go through. Just like that. What else did I say I was gonna show you guys? Oh, how to extend a faux lock. So we're gonna take a finished lock. I'm gonna take this one, this meaty one. I'm gonna bring it over here. So let's say if you had a bob, right? You started off with a bob. I'm gonna take this hair, I'm gonna cut it in half and use it to braid. But let's say if you had a bob and you're just like, I want my faux locs to be longer. So I'm gonna take my crochet hook, right? Can you see that nub? And I'm gonna hook it. I'm gonna try and like hook in there at the bottom and push my crochet hook through. Boom. It's through there, right? I'm gonna take my braiding hair and I'm gonna latch that on. Oh wait, one side has to be shorter than the other so it's easier to pull through. It'll cause less damage. So I'm gonna pull that through. Okay. Oh, done did it. Done did it. I'm gonna add in one more. I'm just gonna twist it. Braids are looking really bad. Make them into faux locs and keep it for a bit longer. So there you go, right? You see that? This is the Cuban twist. I cut it in half. So I'm gonna pull this, the part where I cut out a little bit so it's not so blunt. But I'm gonna be, this part is the part that I'm gonna use to wrap back up. See that? Because it's like, it's good. Like this part is too blunt. Can you see? See? I'm gonna use this part to wrap back up. I'm going to hook it in. Alright, so since I'm up higher, I'm gonna pull it out a little bit more and then just begin to wrap. Alright, so I didn't pull it tight up here. You can also add curly ends to your faux loc doing this method as well. Just, you would have to cut the curly hair in half though if your faux locs are already long, and just kind of like pull the ends out to give it the tapered effect. Or if you like the blunt look, you can keep it cut like that and just crochet it through the nub. Twist the hair down and wrap it, but leave the curly ends hanging out, like just like this. Just leave them hanging out and you could get the curly end. And boom, my faux loc is now longer. The hair stopped and I just wrapped back up, and I'm gonna crochet in another piece right here, right above, right here, and then continue to wrap down. So this is like kind of coming out a little bit. I guess I didn't taper the ends pretty nicely. So if I feel like it is coming out like right here, it's like it's a little bit loose, it's not wrapped tightly at the end, I like to just twist it. I twist the wrapped hair some more, and sometimes it'll go a little bit lower when I twist it, but all I want it to be is tight, nice and flush to the braid. And I'm going to crochet in hair right here. I did really big boxes and stuff. See, I got a little Okay, I don't have growth going on yet. It's only been a week. There's no growth. But my hair gets messy pretty quick. Say if you're gonna do this, don't do them so fat because it might get too heavy for your head. Try and maybe, I guess you could just rip it into two and wrap tight, maybe. Whatever your neck can handle. That's really it. But what would I be categorized? Guys, tell me down below. What would you categorize me as? Categorize this channel as? A hair channel? A makeup? Well, it cannot be a makeup channel because well, it could be. I have a lot of makeup videos. But make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!